Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video I want to show you something special. This is a mini laptop. It's from a brand called CHUWI. This is the MiniBook X. You can find it on AliExpress. I will have a link in the video description below. Also, I want to thank AliExpress for sponsoring this video. They provided me with a laptop, which is great. This is how the box looks like. Pretty simple box. We got some tech specs at the back of the box right here. So if I zoom in, you guys can see it is a 10.5 inch display, 1920 by 1200. Also, it's touchscreen, which is amazing. We got the Intel N100 CPU, 4 core, 4 threads, up to 3.4 gigahertz, Wi-Fi 6E, which is one of the latest Wi-Fi technologies, and it's 24 centimeters by 16 and by 11 millimeters thick, so that's really slim. In terms of other specs, we got 12 gigabytes of RAM, DDR5 I think, and SSD of 512 gigabytes. Of course, you got many options. You can start from 8, 12, 16 and 32 gigabytes of RAM, and from 128 gigabytes of storage all the way up to 1 terabyte. But I think you can change that yourself if you got the parts and the knowledge. If not, you can just buy from them. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we get, and I'm gonna show you guys how the laptop looks. Alright, so this is what we get inside the box. Let's start with the small stuff first. We get 4 different keyboard layout stickers. So we have Spanish, we have Italian, we have German, and we have French, of course. So if you don't like the layout they provided, you can always stick on this stickers to change it for your own keycaps and change it the settings into the Windows keyboard settings. We have a 45 watt Type-C charger. This is a European plug, but I think they have American, UK and Australian, so when you order, just make sure you click on the one that fits your region you live in. And of course we got the laptop itself, which is really compact. I like the looks. So if you can get an idea of the size, it's about the size of my hand plus like 1-2 centimeters. It's really thin. It's got active cooling, so you can see a copper heatsink right there, and fan inside. We got some rubber feet on the back, anti-slide. We get some screws right here, so I think you can open these screws up and customize it the way you want. You can add more storage, more RAM. It's entirely up to you. On this side right here we have a microphone slash headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter jack right here. So you can plug in your headset, you can plug in your microphone, or a headset that has both microphone and audio. And on the other side we have the I/O, pretty basic I/O, but it can do a lot. We have USB Type-C and a USB Type-C. This one is for data and charging. This one is for data only. You can plug in an extension. I'm gonna show you guys, and you can add HDMI to it. You can add USB Type-A ports, whatever you want you can add to it, even more Type-C ports. I'm gonna show you guys in a sec. And yeah, that's with the I/O. Pretty simple, full metal construction, very sturdy. I love how it feels. It's got a nice weight to it. I love how it looks. Also, I love this color. I think it looks really great. The full metal gray color looks amazing. Let's go ahead and open the laptop. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. By the way, it can bend into tablet mode, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna show you guys. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay guys, so this is how the laptop looks when it's turned on. As you can see, the keyboard is backlit. You can use it at night. We got a pretty decent sized trackpad right here, so you can use your mouse. It also, as I told you, has touchscreen and tablet mode. What I like about it is the fact that you can bend the screen all over, even upside down, so you can use it as a tablet. It also has landscape and portrait mode. And the sound quality, it's very impressive for a device this size. Let's find a video right here with my gaming setup, let's say. For how small it is, the sound quality is really good, and also the build quality, I'm really impressed. Chewy really done a good job with this mini laptop. If you want to use it in tablet mode, all you have to do is just flip it like this, and there you go, you have yourself a tablet. It should go to portrait mode by itself if I don't accidentally press the button. There you go. So you have a portrait mode as well, which is really great. I can scroll to my videos, gaming videos, whatever. So yeah, the laptop, it's really amazing. It can do all sort of stuff. Even if you got Xbox cloud gaming, if you have a Xbox Game Pass Ultimate account, you can do some gaming on it. You can connect your controller, you can connect docking hub to the USB ports, and you guys can have a HDMI. You can put your mouse in, you can put your keyboard in. It's entirely up to you, however you want to customize it yourself. If not, in terms of portability, it's a really great option. You can take it with you anywhere. It's really small. You can use it as a tablet. In my opinion, it's great. So if you guys want to buy this laptop, I'm gonna have a link into the description below. I think right now you can get it with a discount as well. And thanks again, AliExpress, for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys next time.